What's going on, guys? It's Alfaz over here at OT Performance. This is Jay's 1993 Mazda RX7 FD3S. Jay bought this car. I believe the car was built like 12 years ago in someone's backyard. So he bought it by us to get some mods done. Those mods are Haltech Elite 1500 paired with the Scene Auto Elite bracket, the OD ignition system, which is the OD ignition 1.8 coils. Well, actually it's a Haltech ignition 1.8 coils, but we basically made the kit work with the Haltech. These are the coils here. It has a stage 3 fuel system. What that consists of is we bypass the factory fuel filter. We use vibrant fittings. It's 516 adapter with AN lines basically plumbing into the primary rail, into the secondary rail. That's also going into the TurboSmart fuel pressure regulator. Right here you see the Haltech flex fuel sensor. That's in the harness, so this car is tuned on pump gas and E85. This car is also running Haltech NOx sensor, Haltech fuel pressure sensor, full function engineer and oil pressure sensor, oil temp sensor, and trigger kit, 36:1. It has LMS EFI air temp sensor, GM cooling temp sensor. It does have a twin disc. The twin disc is from XCD, whatever it is. That's also paired with the Bonsai Racing transmission brace, the diff brace. The diff in this car was welded. What I did, we removed the diff, rebuilt it, we put a factory LSD in there. We adjusted the pinion preload, we shimmed the diff a little different, a little tighter. So that's good. We also running Redline, I believe it's 7590 fluid in the diff, shockproof. We're running Redline 7590 in the transmission. I believe it's a heavy duty oil. We're running Valvoline VR1 20W50. So it has high zinc oil. For now, this car is on its stock oil coolers. Down the line, the customer is going to upgrade to our Citrac dual oil cooler. It's 25 row, comes with the improved racing thermostat, vibrant lines, dash 10 obviously. This car has no ABS, so it's also running our OD ABS Elite kit. It's a little bit proportional valve, custom lines, braided. Right here too, you can see the AEM map sensor. The car is not running a Haltech sensor, it's running an AEM map sensor. It's a 5-bar. Literally everything on this harness is brand new, so using the oil metering pump. This car does have some goodies in there. This is the first time that we basically put rolling anti-lag on a car, so this car does have rolling anti-lag that activates around 5,000 to 5,500 RPM. I believe, actually I can't say that. Can't let you guys know how much boost this car is running, but it is making 400 plus foot-pounds of torque. It does have a Garrett GT35R ball bearing turbo. It's pretty old school. I believe the manifold is a Garrett manifold as well. Previously the car, the wastegate was rerouted into the downpipe. We did some modifications to make it external. If you look there, it has the AEM wideband sensor, and in the back there, the Haltech cam sensor too. Currently running a home and boost controller for now. Right here, you got some gold goodies. That's from Bonsai Racing. Car has power steering. AC will be going into the car too down the line. This is another cool piece here. It's from Bonsai Racing. Instead of the plastic normally breaks, so we use this. It also lets us delete the factory AST. The alternator is our operated alternator at 160 amps. This car does, due to the fact that it has many electronics and the coils, we are running a 2-gauge wire on the ground. So how that works is we're 2-gauge from the battery to the chassis, chassis to tranny to engine, engine to tranny. So the ground on this car is pretty serious. The power wire is also a 0-gauge power wire too. Works amazing. For the radiator fans, we have a 60 to 80 amp relay. That's our wiring kit for the fans from the Haltech. This is a fuse box. So right here in this fuse box, you have two 30 amp fuses. One are for the ignition coils, and also one is for the radiator fans. Got a Deutsch 4-pin connector on the fan too. We basically, our standard here at our shop is to, we're really good at what we do. We have 15 years plus of experience dealing with rotaries. So we try to have a standard with every car. Try to clean the engine bay up as much as possible. If you guys know RX7s, you know that they have the factory fan relay here. We eliminated that. So stripped the entire harness, pulled that through, and tucked it as much as we can. That's the Haltech harness here. Factory also has a metal line coming here for the brake booster. We eliminate that and put reinforced hose. So this car has reinforced hose everywhere. Cruise controller, wall valve, map sensor, brake booster. Let's take a look at inside of the car. Make sure you guys check it out. These are our merch. This is a OT Performance air freshener. Black ice, smells amazing. Check us out, let us know. Right here we got an AEM boost gauge, AEM wideband sensor. This is an old school turbo timer. The car is still running that. Double DIN radio. And this is the juicy button, I like to call it. It's rolling anti-lag. So basically when the car is at around, like I said, 5,000 to 5,500 RPM, the customer Jay would, let's say he's in third gear, he would be around that RPM and he would press this button. And what that does now, it activates rolling anti-lag. It's almost like a two-step. So it builds boost while it's rolling. As soon as he lets go of that button, the car sees X amount of boost and he just grabs his gear, which could probably be fourth, or maybe he's doing a second or third gear. The shifter is also rebuilt. All the parts are from Atkins, even to the new boot. You can't really see it right now, but Sean's gonna attach an image of the Yasin Auto Elite bracket. I want to show you guys something cool too. Mike hooked up Jay, Mike over at Stop Motion Lighting, hooked up Jay with these cool LEDs. Check out these taillights. So let me know when you guys are ready. I'm going to turn it on and you will see. Good? So I'm going to turn the lights on. And I'm going to turn them on. Is it on? We're going to also turn it back on and show you some cool options with the lights too. This is my favorite. One more thing too. So this is the cool part about running a Haltech right here. I'm going to turn the ignition on and pay attention to the tap. It does a sweep. So yeah, thanks for watching the video on Jay's 1993 Mazda RX7. Me, I'm Alfaz ODP. That's my Instagram. This is OD Performance. Our Instagram is also at OD Performance, OD_performance. Bishan was a part of this car build too. His Instagram is Bishan_OTP. We have OD Rotary for Life, Sean, the person making the video right now, and also his hands were on this car too. His Instagram is OD Rotary for Life, and the owner, his name will be tagged at the end of the video too. His name is Jay. I believe his Instagram page is censored_RX7. Not quite sure, but it'll be tagged. So yeah, make sure you guys give Jay a follow. Also follow us on YouTube at OD Performance, and let us know. We'll bring your RX7 to the next level. We are the Rotary Gods. Later.